Hello, I'm Paul, your digital mage from CSP Geeks. I'm also one of the co-founders of the company. I'm here today to tell you about a new promotion that we started. It's called the Power Up Lite Bundle. And this is really a web launch kit for any small company that wants to get a web presence out and also have support for the year. But before I talk about the bundle, I want to give you a little background on CSP Geeks. We founded the company this year, so we started in January, and our purpose is to provide consulting, web, IT support to small companies that don't have the large budget that larger companies have to have an in-house IT department. Because of our background and our experience, we can provide that same level of consulting and services that larger companies pay large amounts of money for. So we want to bring that down to a level that anybody with a small business or even solopreneurs have a way of tapping into that IT department in a box. And that's us. We want to be embedded in your company so that when you have a thought or a change in your business that you need to figure out how to implement those within your website, within your applications that you're using, we want to be your first stop to say, hey, what can we do here? And what we do is we tell you these are your options. These are the things that you can implement. This is the cost that's involved with implementing them. And in some cases, we have different levels of service that some of that work is included as a part of our services. So, for instance, if you get a web watch uh, support contract with us, that means that you have a person there that is maintaining your website. It could be you, it could be, an admin or an employee, and they can open up tickets and request that we make changes to the site for you. That way, the person that needs to make changes to the site can just document what they are, send off a ticket, and we take care of it. So there's a lot of special value that comes in with our support packages. And in this case, we're offering the Power Up Lite bundle, which includes a web design, 3-page, setup, usually your home, the about, the contact us, and we also provide as a part of that bundle our starter hosting. And then we also include a web support package that allows us to be there after the initial launch of your site. A lot of times when you go and work with a designer or a third party to build your website, they'll build your website, they'll get it out in production, and they usually do a pretty good job. The problem is after that's out there, what happens 3 months down the road, 4 months down the road, 5 months even? You don't have their support on the site anymore without having to pay them for that. So we build that support into this bundle so that, 6 months, 7 months out, if you have a change in your business model and you need to update your website, we're there to support you. So this Power Up Lite bundle really does give you a year of us building your site and hosting your site, supporting your site, and supporting you as the business owner or the manager of the small business. We really want to be your embedded IT department. Thank you for listening.